Hey friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to react to old Subaru commercials. And the reason why I'm doing this is because in all of my other videos where I'm ranting about Subarus, to hide my jump cuts, because I don't do all my clips in one take. I take a lot of takes. I suck at talking to the camera and also listening to my own voice. I'm still getting used to it. But to hide my jump cuts, I throw in some stock footage or a Subaru commercial or something in the intro. And as I've been doing that, I've been finding a lot of these old Subaru ads, and some of them are actually really entertaining and really funny. So I thought it'd be a good idea that we can go through all of them and just react to them together. I think it's going to be a fun time. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this first ad is from 1992, and I believe it features the WRX and the Impreza. Let's have a look.
Impreza WRX このステアリングが似合うのはあなたかもしれない。4WD ピアスポーツ
Alright, okay, that reaction. What the heck? Whoa, that scared me. What the? My man. He got the Philip Patek on too. He's like, I really hope you guys react to my videos like that. Just super excited whenever I get the notification that I posted. Also, Subaru needs to go back and put this as the logo for the Impreza as their badging in the back. Like, it's not Impreza anymore. It's like Impreza. You know, it has a little bit more spice to it. A little bit more finesse. Gotta go back to the old days. Old is gold, guys. What happened to the Subaru branding? Gonna find out.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. That's a nice hard top sedan you got. Whoa! Look at that grill! It's like closed off. I've never seen that before. Very cool. Very nice. Looking dapper, sir. Driver's basic.
Good morning.
Okay, this is no longer PG-13. Let's keep going. I see what they're trying to do. I don't need to speak Japanese. I see what they're trying to do. All right. So this guy's a player, all right? The black car is his daily driver, right? You know, his main girl. This red wagon is the weekend car, the side chick car. So that's why he's trying to call on the phone. Oh, babe, sorry. Just had to work late last night. Sneaky Subaru. You guys are clever. Okay. I give that one 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10! Just for the infidelity. Alright, moving on. So this ad is from 1993 and it features the Subaru WRX wagon. Let us have a look. Ooh, intense audio. Oh, this guy again! Is this the same guy? I like how they slam the door like 3 or 4 times. Yes, it's a wagon. Yes, it's a 5-door. Yes, you can throw things in the back like that. Plus the power slide. Well, intense there. Much? Chill out, buddy. I think that's in Vancouver. Is this Vancouver? This looks like Vancouver. Anyways. Yes, Impreza. Like, I think that guy had a Japanese accent for some reason. I give this one 6 out of 10 for practicality. Yeah, that one wasn't too amazing. Right, moving on. This next ad is from sometime in the 90s or maybe early 2000s. I think it's in the 90s. Anyways. Let us have a watch. Oh, it's a Roadrunner one. I've seen this. Oh! Ooh. See that again, sorry. Beep beep left maybe. Oh yeah, a little bit of a flex of the World Rally Championship. Triple threat. Just so they know. Let the haters know. Yeah, chase him down. Subaru Wave, classic. From 40K? Hasn't changed one bit. Inflation isn't a thing for Subarus, what? That one was just fun. I give that one just 10 out of 10 just because it's fun. Not trying to watch a Camaro ad, what the? So this next ad is from 2002, introducing the Bug-Eye WRX. So let's get into it. Sorry for the low quality, it's the best one I could find.
We gave it the power of 227 horses.
Oh man.
We gave it the control of all-wheel drive.
See, they start getting a little bit more intense once the 2000s came in. No longer the weird love thingies or the cartoonish stuff. It's the real stuff now. The real camera work.
But the spirit of a 3-time World Rally champion?
Ooh, that transition! That transition's hype.
That it had to earn. Meet
True.
the turbocharged rally-bred Subaru WRX. That's the beauty of Subaru all-wheel drive.
That was a sick sequence. They don't make ads like that anymore, do they? Just nice in-body transitions, or not in-body, in-camera transitions. All right, there's more in this video, so let's watch. Oops, silver Bug-Eye.
You may have a turbo.
May have a turbo, yeah, that's right.
You may even have 227 horses.
I may.
If you don't have the control of Subaru all-wheel drive, you can't touch this.
Ooh, you can't touch it. The 227 horsepower from 2002. Probably accurate back then. Probably a pretty quick car back then.
The Subaru WRX, here at last. That's the beauty of Subaru all-wheel drive.
Oh, right to the next one. Yeah, rev it out. Let's go EJ205.
With full-time all-wheel drive,
Don't tune me
the
too
new
much.
Subaru
Your
WRX
transmission's gonna break.
stays glued to the road. With a turbocharged 227 horsepower boxer engine, you'll swear you're flying. That's the beauty of Subaru all-wheel drive.
How could you fly if you don't have the big wing like the STI? Just kidding. Like back then, 227 horsepower was such a flex. Nowadays, you have 227 horsepower. It's like, let's not include that in the ad. Anyways, I think the sequence of these three ads, I give it just good, just good. I'm done with the numerical rating. It was good. Double thumbs up, good. All right, so here is another ad from 2002 featuring the Bug-Eye and the Bug-Eye STI, actually. So let's see. Ooh. That voice is gonna haunt me in my dreams. Very intense. New age up Impreza. Oh, STI? Whoa.
Subaru 4WD.
Holy. Let's listen to that voice again.
4WD.
It's like, it's very arcadey, but it sounds like the if you guys ever play Call of Duty Zombies, and when it's a dog's round, it's like, fetch me your souls. Kind of sounds like that. Cool. It's cool the STI was in there, but it was only for 5 seconds. So I give it a that's my rating. That's it. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this next ad is introducing the Blobeye WRX from 2003. Let's watch. So 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds is pretty quick, even to comparing to today's standards. Like, I think the new STI and WRX could barely hit that, maybe are just at there. I don't know, but I don't know for sure, but I know that's still really quick. From 2003, don't sleep on this car. If you guys could get one of these, might as well. It's just as fast. And it's a manual transmission too. A manual transmission doing 5.4 seconds. Not bad. Turbocharge. All-wheel drive. Cool. Does it get any better? How? Ooh, see that? Foreshadowing. Hold on.
Owning the road.
No, let's go back. Ooh, you see that split second? Where was it? Sorry. For a split second there, it shows you the cylinder heads. It's because they knew there's going to be these head gasket problems. So you're going to be seeing that a lot, FYI. Just kidding. Sorry, bad joke.
Owning the road just got a lot more affordable.
What the fuck? 0% financing? Do you guys take Apple Pay? Oh, does not apply to leases and does not apply to the STI. Huh. Okay, sure. That's still pretty cool though. 0% financing. You don't really see that. I don't know if you see that at all anymore. I don't know. I'm not a finance guy, but I think that's good. When is 0%? It's just 0.0.
More affordable.
750 rebate.
Subaru, driven by what's inside.
Cool. Thanks, dude. That one was pretty cool. I like that one because it was financially bueno. That's my rating for that. Okay, next one. All right, so I'm going to cut it off there. This is only part 1 out of 2, so please stay tuned for the second half of this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care.